Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make a bubble chart in Excel. A bubble chart basically shows relationships between multiple variables, and bubbles are used to represent data points. In order to make a bubble chart you need 3 columns. So in this case we'll make a bubble chart based on this data. What you must understand is one column will represent the x-axis, second column will represent the y-axis, and the third column will be shown as bubbles. The number will denote size of the bubble. The other two dimensions will be the dimensions for the bubble. So let's go ahead and make a bubble chart. So in order to make the bubble chart, I'll select the data first and then go to insert, and then under chart this option where it says insert scatter or bubble chart. In bubble also you have 2D and 3D bubble, so we'll go ahead with the normal 2D bubble. So you see the moment I select that option, a bubble chart is made. So the x-axis shows the cost, the y-axis shows the profit, and the bubble show the quantity. Now we can do certain things with the chart. See at the bottom of the graph it does not start at 0 0, it shows minus 200, minus 100. So we can fix that. We'll first select the x-axis, right click and say format axis. So there you see the bounds, minimum, maximum. Here we can change the numbers. We'll start from 0 and maximum we can say 1000. Similarly we can change the y-axis. I'll click on y-axis, say format axis, and change this to 100. And now you see that our graph starts from 0 0. Then there are other things that you can change, like changing the title, then moving around the chart. You can also copy and paste it in Word document. You can resize it. You can go to chart design and change the colors, and you can also choose one of the styles from here under chart design only. So another thing is all the charts in Excel are dynamic, so if you change the value the chart will change accordingly. So let's say this bubble, the one which is at 20, if I change it to 200, you see the bubble has gone up. So the chart is dynamic. If you make changes in the data, the chart will change accordingly. So I've also done videos and other graphs. The link to those graphs are in the description below. You can check out those videos as well. Thanks for watching this video.